Hi everybody, so I am here with a makeup look tutorial, a very simple black smoky eye nude lips, which I thought is a perfect look for like traditional Bengali makeup look. And since Lakhi pujo is around the corner, I thought why not share this makeup look. I created this during Durga Puja and I hope you guys like it. So to start with, I'm gonna apply some I'm applying a face serum. You can apply whatever moisturizer you apply or a serum or whatever you apply before applying makeup, so it hydrates your skin, moistures your skin, and then you can go ahead and apply your makeup. So to start with, I'm applying my MAC concealer. I have stopped like using foundation. I feel the concealer alone itself is enough, plus I like the texture of it after I apply it. Gives me enough coverage, at the same time it feels very lightweighted. So yes, I'm applying my MAC concealer. Next, I'm applying my MAC Studio Fix powder to set the concealer. And while I'm doing it, I'm also entertaining my baby who is in the crib. I'm kind of singing to her. Next step is filling in my eyebrows. For that, I'm using this matte black eyeshadow and just using a brow brush and just fill it in. Make sure it's dark because you're gonna do the eyes really dark. So if the eyebrows are not dark enough, it doesn't really look good. The eyebrows need to stand out, if it makes sense, and just blend it really well. So eyebrows are done. Next step is eyeshadow. So I'm taking this rusty brown color and applying it all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take this matte black eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow that I used to fill in my eyebrows, and applying it to the outer corner of my eyelid. And I'm using an angled eye brush for this. Next, I'm taking this Lotus kajal. This is one of my favorite kajal and I bought it over Amazon US. It's just $6, but it is so dark and intense. Absolutely love it, and it's also herbal and natural. And so I applied it on the outer corner as well as on the lower waterline area of my eyes, and I'm applying it kind of little heavily. Next, I'm taking this blending brush and blending that kajal that I applied on the outer corner on top of the black eyeshadow, and I'm just blending it all in. Next, I'm taking this flat top brush and a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line on top of the kajal, but make sure it's on the bottom of your lash line, not on your waterline area, because we still want that kajal to stand out in the waterline area. And I'm blending it really well, kind of giving it a smudgy and smoky look. Next, again, I'm taking the blending brush and blending it really well, especially on the brow bone area and upper corner of my eyelid. Blending is the key to the look. You want that really nicely blended look and not lumps of eyeshadow here and then I'm applying eyeliner. You can skip this step if you feel it's becoming too heavy, but I like to line my eyes with the eyeliner and extending it in the inner corners and also on the outer corners. Next, I will take the kajal. Again, this step is not compulsory, but I like it because I feel it makes my eyes look really darker, and I'm applying it in the upper waterline area. And the final step for eye makeup is mascara, just applying a whole lot of it. So go ahead and apply a lot of mascara. If you want, you can always add some fake lashes, but I really don't like applying fake lashes. I just feel it's so much work, and mascara itself is enough. Now let's go ahead and finish the face makeup. For that, I'm first gonna contour my face and my cheekbones, the forehead, also contour my nose, make it look sharper than it is in real life. Now time for some blusher, and for this look I'm using a peach matte blush. I don't want any glossy look or any golden glittery bronzy look. So face makeup is done. Last two steps are lipstick, and definitely wear a bindi and sindoor. So for the bindi, I will decide it after I wear my sari. First, let's go ahead and wear the lipstick. For the lipstick, I am wearing this brown shade, which is from Wet n Wild. I will definitely link it in the description box if I can find it, or I'll share the shade with y'all. And now it's time to wear some sindoor. I'm just using a liquid lipstick in place of sindoor. This is the Uncensored by Fenty Beauty, and I love the bright red color matches. And so I went with this big bindi that I just used that same Fenty Beauty lipstick to create, and that's my entire look. The sari is from Amazon US. I will link it in the description box. My jewelry is from Flipkart India, and this blouse is also ready-made Flipkart India, but I altered it to give it a deep back. That's it. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.